Hey everybody, welcome back. Another episode of Rusty's Relics. We got a SquareBody dump truck. Had it like everything else, had it for a little while. I forget what year it is. I think it's
in the 70s. We got single headlights.
It's either a 74 or a 75. I got the title. I bought it from Mike. But I don't even know if it's gonna run. We're gonna check it out. Let's check it out. Got any friends? There's a lizard in there. Blue motor. Blue motor. Lots of oil. Lots of oil. Oh, it's got an oil pressure gauge underneath here. I think it's a granny gear truck. Boy, we got all kinds of wires, empty jugs, headlight buckets. Here we go. Now we're cooking. We got ground wire and a positive wire. We got some wires. Got a HEI Dizzy.
Why are we fired, Dylan?
It don't look terrible in there. So here's a gas tank. Looks like Rusty been here already. Oh, secret sauce. We're gonna need probably a funnel. All right. I thought he said it had a key. We're gonna try to get in here without getting eaten, I guess. We got spiders. She's a dump truck. Dave will like this one.
Dave's got a cooler dump truck.
He does?
Yep. Fire truck's got a dump body on it now.
Oh, that's right. I forgot about that. Dave's always got something better than me. Oh, an extra Dizzy. You need that, Dylan? That's nice to have, though. Oh, we got a light for a trailer. Oh, man. Got a paintbrush, too. In case we want to touch it up. Save that. Look at the radio. Power play. Oh. 8-track. Vintage. That's got a full tank. How many miles? 16. We're in trouble here, kids. But the steering wheel's not locked. So guess what? Can hotwire it? I think it just moved. She's a Turner. All right, let's see. We need a starter wire. There's all kinds of things over here. She got some wiring 101 already done here. Rusty's already been here. Oh, something just bit me. Let's get a battery. A dump truck. I like dump trucks. Let's see. Here we got a ground. Really like to have a battery though. I like having batteries. Got a ground. This is positive. Let's see. Positive. This might be the wire. Looks like they got it going down there anyways. Let's see. Oh, now we need fire. What's that wire going to? That's what I think. Well, let's take a look at her. We don't get bit by a snake or something, but she got the extra special fuel tank. Look at that. She come with any extra parts. You can hop up in here and see. Oh yeah, she got front bumper, wheels, gas grill. Oh, pinto hitch. She got a little bit of rust on her. Looks like somebody homemade that tailgate, doesn't it? But it's a square body. We're going to be in business. We're going to be in the dump truck business. Even got, oh, somebody put rocker panels on it. Great. She got the, you can buy everything. Oh, somebody got a sliding rear window back there too. Look at that. Must have a water leak. Oh, we can make something out of this, guys. We can make something work. Lost my assistant. But let's see. Alright, so we're going to go get a piece of wire and I'll be right back. Well, I found a wire and then I lost it. Rusty. So, back to the drawing board. I actually cut it off of a SquareBody harness and got a piece of wire out of the wire pile, and from there, between there and the shop, I lost it. Way to go, Rusty. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna got this one. We'll fix it up. Somebody already been in here anyways. Look. I guess if I had done that, I could have just wrapped it around there. Just, how does it go? We wire for fire. We're gonna use the electrical connection here. Here we go. Just like that. Look at that. Lost my camera guy again. He'll get mad if we don't have sound or something goes wrong. Now we're just gonna run this in here. The wiring's a nightmare anyway, so we need to put a wiring on this. We don't need much here. Right, Dill? One wire we run. Alright, get the cutters out of here. Trying to remember there's no bumper on this thing. Break my neck. Let's make our little fuel line here. Oh, we still got some gas in there. Alright, so that's that. Let's see what we got here. Smells like Fifi. I don't know if that's two strikel or what that is. Alright, we'll stand on the side here because I'm going to try to. We got ignition. I had a wire here. There it is. This one here is going to make it happen. Huh? Might have to get a battery. Maybe some of this fuel here. Getting a little drink. I think I need more power. Something. Okay. Oh, there's something inside trying to get out. You hear that? She knocka. Watch your hands on that fan. Let's give it another sip because it like that. Open the throttle up. Open the throttle up. There we go. Watch your eyes. Won't stay running. That's it. She really got a treat that time. Let it run. Oh! Hello, noisy. Oh man, it's Jim.
Yo.
Rusty's Relics.
Hello?
Yeah.
What you doing?
Trying to get this old SquareBody running.
Oh, all right. Videotaping.
The dump truck.
We're making a movie?
We're making a movie.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Heading over. Come back. I just left with the ramp truck. I'm heading over to Georgia now.
Oh, he's bringing the ramp truck. He's getting serious.
FaceTime us when you're there.
Oh, I ain't going back tomorrow. It's supposed to be shitty. It's shitty enough today. So.
Yeah, FaceTime me when you get there so we can go over that car.
All right.
All right, see you, bye. All right, so it runs. Will it move? Oh, we got to air up the tire. I think what we should do is get a battery. You said we got a good top post battery?
It's not charged.
Oh. That one that I had in the let me get that going. Maybe bring your jump box back or something. She definitely got a rod knock though, doesn't she? Truck like this though, we should have a big block in it. Or an LS or something with some torque to be able to haul gravel. Dave's World, sand and gravel. I should go get a fake snake for Zach. I hope this race car ain't gonna be like Kellen's boat. Remember Kellen's boat? How's the boat look, Kellen? Oh, I already made the deal with the guy. Don't do that, Jim. We got to look at it together. Oh, well. You like Barrett Jackson. What did I break now? I don't want to hurt her. She run a lot better with a little bit of timing in it, didn't it? I'd like to be able to see. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go get a battery. Put a battery in it with a terminal on it so that we're not doing all of this crazy stuff. That motor is, she's ready to grenade. So let's do that. With it, it ain't it. I'm not like totally excited, but it's only fucking money. Who cares? Let's see if this battery has got any. Oh, she's got wheel. She got juice. All right, let's get this. All right. Oh, gee, dang. Hey, Zach, the drive shaft turning underneath. Won't go into. So the power takeoff is working, but that lever is frozen. It won't let it engage. Everybody, we got it running, we got it moving. There's hardly any brakes, and the power takeoff is engaging, but the lever to move the bed back looks like that shaft has got some rust on it. So we're gonna have to screw around with that a little bit, but I don't know, it's a dump truck. You know, everybody's gonna have a square body dump truck, right? But maybe we'll do something with it, put it on the property, or I don't know. We got too many things, I guess, but thanks for watching. Hopefully it was a pretty good video. Obviously needs a motor. She's a little knock. Needs pretty much everything, but you know, I'm a sucker for a square body. We all know that. But please like, share, subscribe. Talk to you guys soon. Thanks.